This video will cover the removal of the rear cargo or quarter panel windows on a 1982 Volvo 240 wagon. This can be completed in an afternoon. Spray the metal trim on the gaskets with soapy water or oil and use a bone tool for removal. Once removed, spray the outside and inside of the gasket and use your bone tool to pry the gasket to spray underneath. Once sufficiently soaked, place your bone tool underneath the gasket and move it back and forth to loosen the gasket and remove any debris. Do this for the entirety of the gasket. Loosen the side and top edges of the gasket from the inside with your bone tool. Remove your shoes and place your back against the opposite side of the cargo bay. Place your feet on the inside of the window and gently apply pressure, moving back and forth on the upper half, starting with the upper rear corner. At this point, having an assistant on the outside acting as a safety is a good idea. Do not apply a lot of pressure to remove the window. It will start to unseat when it's good and ready. As one corner starts to come loose, continue to work the top edge back and forth. Once the top of the gasket has unseated and while the window is still securely attached at the bottom, gently lift the window from the bottom edge and place it onto a safe surface. If you want to remove the metal trim at the base of the window, there are several rivets which will need to be removed. I leveraged a chisel to do this. Once the trim is removed, inspect the surface and clean of any rust or debris. Clean your windows and install the new gaskets by fitting the window into the center channel of the gasket. After that, you're all done and ready to paint your car or reinstall your windows. Enjoy your Volvo 240.